My name's Helen LaRue. I've come across from the CAT Lowry scheme, and we've been running one of our taster workshops for the dancers here at Smithills. So we start off by doing a warm-up, a little bit of our technique, and then we'll do a bit of creative at the end to allow them the space to have fun with the tools that we've given them. Kids have been amazing. I feel like Mr. Milthorpe runs a wonderful, I can tell he runs a wonderful scheme of the performing arts. They just got stuck in, they had so much energy, they had a lot to offer, and yeah, I threw different things at them that they wouldn't necessarily do, I don't think. So I think they really went for it and they did amazing. Firstly, there was lots of wonderful movers in the session. There's lots of people that I would say, if performing, if dance is something they're interested in, leaving school as a career, the CAT scheme is a really wonderful scheme to really help them just hone in and advance and alongside their studies to get the support they need to end up where they want to be out of there, and we can really guide them in the right place. So if it's something that they're interested in, I would definitely say 100% the CAT scheme is something to take a look at. They work with professional dancers from all over, ones that are current, ones that were working professionally and are now moving more into the teaching side of it. So yeah, there's lots of wonderful people within the scheme. The scheme itself is just fantastic, and we have many successful stories of students training with us and going on and now performing around the world. So yeah, I would say check it out.